Good afternoon, 4Runner fans. I wanted to provide an update to my earlier video where we were doing a mesh grill cover, and we made that out of a piece of rain gutter guard that you can buy down at Home Depot or Lowe's or one of those places. This is aluminum, black painted aluminum. So the first part of the series I talked about putting this piece on, which required basically no modification to this other than flattening it out and putting it on the grill. So the next part of that was this little piece up here, where I finally got around to creating a grill cover for it using the same material, but this time I took it, I cut it out of this piece here. There's two pieces taken out, and the cover was formed out of that. Now, in order to fit this in, this isn't so simple as the first one. You have to actually cut it, and so it's custom fitted. So the way I did that is I used this piece of cardboard to create a template, and then use that to cut it out. And then when I put it up here, I found out I needed to trim more so that the mesh would fit right inside the plastic edge. So you can see it fits right in there, and 3 tie wraps, zip ties later. It's mounted in there real nice, it doesn't rattle. And it's a lot of work, but the good news is that you just flip this over and you can create the one for the other side. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed it. It's really worth doing.